Yeah. Then we have these little saucer pans and the bowls, the soup bowls, all them. We rarely use them. So, guys, look. I have broken one. I don't know how, but that's what has happened. Okay. Maybe it was broken, I don't know. If it stayed there. So we have this tiny. Guys, me, I don't know the purpose of these cups. Sometimes I put sauce. So this one we really use. Just in there. Then we have another drawer here. Down here, we put all the cutlery, the meat, the knives, the spoons, everything. All the cutlery. The plastic goes in their own space. Is the serving spoons, but the serving spoons sometimes we hang them. These ones we hang them, yeah. So that is a good work one. That's all that. So that is what we need toilet. Also on the other side. So guys, after a long work of cleaning, this is the outcome. There are these utensils whereby we keep for a long time. There are these ones here, and all other things, the mwiko, some serving spoons and so forth. The sufurias are down here, the cups are there. This one has a bigger storage. So then we have our electricals there. The rest are inside. We have some others which are on top here. Then this basket is for things like onions, garlic, and ginger, and something like this. But because I've washed the one for fruits, I decided to put my avocados there. Then this one, we usually store our coriander, our green onion there, so that they don't dry. I don't like to put them in the fridge. Then this one is our spicy rack, and behind them we have the thermoses, the flasks. Then we have our bowls here, and these are the ones we use for many things, for washing rice, making dough for chapati, mandazi. When you cut vegetables, that's where you use. Then this one, I used to toss juice when I make juice. So that is the look. Then we go to our cookers. That is the outcome, guys. That is the outcome. Sparkling clean. I think there is a reflection, that's why they look dark, but they are very clean, very sparkling. So that is all. Next we arrange the fridge. I have not arranged the fridge, and then I'll show. So until next time, guys, remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share our videos. Until next time, bye for now.